Hi everyone, Melissa here, and today I am using some new colors that I got in that are going to be released from Duped on August 13th at noon Central. Yes, I remember that. These are, yes, they are fall colors. Is it too soon for fall colors? I mean, I think that depends on who you ask. If you ask me, the answer is never yes, because I love fall colors. And I've been wearing some pretty bright colors. In fact, this set that I just took off, that will be the next video that comes out, was very bright and a lot of color. So I'm kind of taking a step back and going back to just a little bit simpler vibe, because I've been doing a lot of designs with these student designs, and I need something just a little more calm for me. But let's get into the colors I'm going to use. Actually, this color already released at Double Dipped. This is called Duped. It is a remake of her super popular color Raspberry Jam that came out probably several years ago, but it is a gorgeous deep berry color. It looks super bright in the pigment, but it comes out darker when you put it on. But Duped, it is a perfect replication of the color, and I love it. And I think it's going to go gorgeous with these other two colors that are coming out. This one's called Pumpkin Spice Latte, and it is a brown that has like a purple chrome shimmer in it. But really, I'm just going to be dipping it. I'm not going to be chroming it out, and it just comes out this gorgeous, like purpley brown color, which I love purpley brown. So I think it's just absolutely beautiful. And then we have chocolate covered cherries, which has these, I don't know if the colors are coming across in the video, but these like brown and like gold, I don't know, these like berry glitters. You'll see it when it goes on. It doesn't show as well in the jar. So I'm just going to be doing a simple little design here. We're going to be doing some, I think, probably some vertical ombre with the glitter, and just make something beautiful. And maybe this fall design will make this everyday 105-degree weather that I'm experiencing in Houston disappear. Maybe I will convince the fall gods to bring coolness upon the earth. I don't know. It's unlikely. That doesn't matter. Okay, I'm going to start by putting some peel off base coat down on my nails. I still do have that non-stick builder gel, just a little bit of extension left. I've cut them down so much. So it's mostly my regular nails, just with a little bit of reinforcement for strength. All right, I did not go over the top with this peel base because I have a feeling I'm not going to want these to pop off easily. Also, my official school year is starting this week, and I still have a lot of setup and things to move around and do. I don't want these to pop off. I want them to be there, so let's see if that works. I'm going to start with our pumpkin spice latte. I'm going to do it on these two. I'll have Duped on these two, and then we'll do chocolate covered cherries right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just get to dipping, and we'll just take a look at it once I'm done. Right, I got the colors down. I have activated the colors as I went, so once I finished a color, I activated all those nails. So now I just have to activate the last one I did, which was the glitter. I laid the nail into my Dipped in Chaos tray, did a couple layers of clear over the top just to make sure I protect that glitter when I'm filing. And I'm gonna activate and just file and shape everything and get a nice smooth surface before I go in and put my ombre over the top. Okay, got those all filed and shaped up, and so now I'm just gonna do my ombre. I'm gonna do a little bit of a ombre onto this nail and then a little bit onto this nail. So I've got my glitter in my little Dipped in Chaos container here. I'm gonna grab a short brush here. That's what I'm gonna be working with. Before I sprinkle it on, I'm going to just put a layer of dip base on the nail and let that dry, because this first coat I put on is going to dry relatively quickly because of the layers of activator underneath it. I want to make sure I have time to get the glitter on. I don't want it to dry too fast. And get some glitter on my brush, and I'm going to hold my nail sideways like this so that it kind of has a natural fall down to the other side. Now, glitters like this that have small and large pieces in it, when you do this tap, you're typically going to get primarily the small ones. The large ones don't pick up quite as much. So when that happens, we like to usually just kind of hand place some of the larger ones. Alright, now I have the glitter the way I want it on those nails. I'm going to do a layer of clear over the top, activate that, and do one final filing and shaping of these two. Alright, it's going to give them a little gel top coat real quick, and then cure it, and we're done. Alright, and there they are all finished up. These colors are so pretty. This purple is like the perfect, like deep kind of brownish purple. It definitely came out a little more purple on the nail than I was expecting. I was expecting a little more brown, but I'm very happy with like that slightly more purpleness that came out. But anyway, these colors are stunning. So if you want to go check them out on the Double Dipped website, This one is already out. Oh. These two will be released on August 13th at noon Central Time, along with a whole bunch of other colors that she's coming out with. I didn't show them all because it's a lot, but you can go to her Facebook group and she has them all listed there. I think she even has like a package, like you can get the whole set for a discounted price, something like that. So go check out the great fall colors she has coming out pretty soon, and you can use my code on most purchases. It's Melissa's Mayonnaise 15 for 18% off, so don't forget to save yourself some money. All right, thank you as always for joining me. I hope you're ready for fall weather like I am. I don't want fall time, I just want fall weather. I need it. But anyway, thank you for joining me. Hope you enjoyed the fall colors, and I will see you next time.